Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. Till now we have seen all the major single row functions in MySQL. So if you have worked with any programming language like C, C++ or Java, then you must have studied the concept of nesting. So suppose if you have an if statement and if you write another if statement within that, or if you have a for loop and if you write another for loop within that for loop, then we call them nested if and nested for loops respectively. So similarly, we have here nested function calls for the single row functions in MySQL. So let us see how we can do that. So I can just say select title, comma, lower of substring title, comma 1, comma 5 from film. So here I'm going to say title. Okay, it has to be lowercase according to the conventions. Okay, so we are going to select title, then we are going to select the title, then we are going to select the substring of it from 1 to 5, or which starts at 1 and is 5 characters long, and then we are going to turn it to lowercase. So let us execute this and let us see the output. Okay, so there is some problem with the query. The problem is that we did not close all the parentheses. And if I execute this, this is the output. So this is the original title and this is the title after we apply the substring and lower function on that. So this is known as nesting of single row functions. So here we are calling one single row function within other single row function. So this is just like any other nested construct. So the innermost function call is going to be executed first and it is going to return the data which will be fed to the outermost function call. And we can have nesting up to any level. So you can even have nesting up to 5 levels. So this is how we can have nested single row function calls in MySQL. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments related to this video lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this video lecture and I will see you next time.